Okay, so I have to take these brackets off right here, and then I put on these right here, and I'm trying to see how it's going to work. I have no idea. Unless it's like that. But you see, I'm looking at this, I'm trying to figure out how it's going to work. I don't know. I don't think it reaches, folks. I think it goes like this. Nope, it goes in there. Because you see, it goes like that, and then what it's looking like you take those off, you put it on from the bottom, or no, you put it on top and then you put the screw in from the bottom. Okay, so maybe it's these. Yep, it's these. Okay, solved. Intel, AMD. I'll be right back after I install it. Okay, bracket, or the brackets from the motherboard are removed. Here's the mounted on the bottom. But what I always do for anything with the motherboard, I take it off and then I just put the stuff in here. I'll get me a little sandwich bag, and this way you never lose your parts. Everything is stuck there. If someone wants to change out the cooler or something, you can go back to it. And then I just put the top back on. And go back to work. So I'm ready to put a little dab on here. And a little bit more. Okay. And there you have it. Now I'm going to unpeel this and then install it. Now, what I also have is the fan. You gotta have the fins pointing the direction where you want the airflow to go. So the video card will go here, back of the case goes up here. So this is what I do, okay? I get the right orientation of the fan, and then I do this. It's kind of hard to do it in one, but you see, make it tight. That way you don't see everything. And then I want the fan something like this. So you see less wire. It's hidden, basically. And then I just have to mount the fan to this. So I have it in the right orientation. Now I have to do the clips. And this is the only hard part of the whole setup. So let's see if my experience comes back to finish the process correctly. So basically it's done. The clips goes on the outside and then goes there. And if you want to add another fan to it, you just put it over here and then the other two clips, but make sure that the guard goes this way, because the airflow goes this way, folks, okay? And just to show you, with the wire right there. It's in between the two brackets, so it won't get loose. I got it tucked nice and neat to right there. Okay, so you see no loose wires, a little bit right there, but if I decide to take out this memory and make it all black, I can change it with the other two DDRs. So now it's to install this bad boy right here, the power supply, 850 watt Corsair. So that's the next step.